What happens when galaxies collide in the vastness of space? Our Milky Way, on a collision course with Andromeda, destiny awaits. As they draw near, gravitational forces stir the cosmic dance. Stars realign, creating new constellations in the night sky. Galactic cores merge, a brilliant display of cosmic fireworks. New solar systems emerge, born from chaos and destruction. Black holes awaken, their gravity devouring stars whole. Space itself ripples, echoing the violence of this cosmic event. Galaxies intertwined, a new chapter in the universe's saga. Astronomers gaze in awe, rewriting textbooks with each observation. Cosmic dust settles, revealing the aftermath of galactic upheaval. Life adapts, surviving and thriving in new celestial conditions. The universe, ever expanding, holds secrets in its boundless depths. What new wonders await in this uncharted cosmic territory? Humanity looks to the stars, pondering our place in the cosmos. The story of galaxies, an epic tale written in the fabric of space. Join us in unraveling the mysteries of the universe, one galaxy at a time. The cosmic ballet continues, with the Milky Way at its heart.